Once the API key is entered, you just look at your address here, so make sure everything's correct. You can zoom out to look where you're located. Okay, but everything should be good. Just press Save Changes. Okay, and then press Import Inventory and just press this one time. Now it'll import your inventory from your Clover POS. So right now I have all my inventory being imported. So I click on it again. Now I have 7 categories, 64 items, 5 modifier groups, 2 tax rates. Perfect. And then now we're going to click on order types. So if you're doing delivery, I would just leave it the way it is. If you're not doing delivery, then you could turn it off. So you can just press no and then press save. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just if you're doing delivery, I'll just enable it later, okay? But for now, I'm going to go ahead and just turn it off because I'm not sure if you're doing the delivery or not. And then just press save. And the next step is categories and items. So over here, you simply click on here, hide the ones you don't want to sell on the website. I don't think you will need this one called for here to go, so just hide that. Everything else looks good. And then modifier groups. Oh yeah, if you want to move this one to the top, you can move it up and down. But I'll put this one first. Put hibachi combo second. Yeah, dinner. You could put dinner here. For example, if you're serving dinner after 5 p.m., you can push this. Say hibachi dinner after 5 p.m. like that. Okay. So and then press save this button so that people know that it's only after 5 p.m. But I'm not going to change this. I'm going to put it back the way it was. Okay, and then let's see, modifier groups. Yeah, pay with credit card, paid location. It looks good. Okay, good. Special instructions. Okay, let me see, make sure you have your business hours here. Good, business hours are good. Okay, I'm going to press Save Changes. Okay, and then store interface, there's 4 of them. This one is good, I think. This one's good for you. I'm going to just remove Show More because your inventory is small, so we don't need Show More. Okay, very good. Let's see. I'm going to open a new website now. Let's take a look at what it looks like, okay? I'm going to go store page. Oh, very good. Looks good, yeah. Nice, lots of selection here. Very good. So here's your order online page right here. Okay, so that's how you do that. Okay, so that's good. Let's take a look at what else there is. Let's go back to the settings here. Okay, everything is good here. You can do coupon codes, but that's basically just to get it going. You can make small changes later. If you want to add pictures, just again press the camera, add picture. If you want to add pictures to the items, just press items images like this. And then just open the item here and then just say add image. Okay, like this. Upload image. Okay, and you can add description. You can say tastes great or something like that. Tastes good with noodles. This is just an example. You don't have to do this, but you can add description to it. And you can also add picture. This video is very short just to kind of give you an idea. But again, remember that there's other videos on YouTube also that covers additional features. But this is just to get you started so you can start accepting online orders right away. Okay? Thank you for your time.